a wonderful box here. Oh, so excited about this. This is a ManiXMe box from Maniology. It got rather damaged in the mail, but let's do an unboxing. I am so excited about this. This month is, I did get a glimpse of it online, and it is Western themed. I love that. Here is the box. Oh, isn't this lovely? I love cowboys, cowboy hats and cowgirls, and just the nostalgia of it. I really like that. It always reminds me of Roy Rogers and Dale Evans. I've always adored the old black and white movies, and this just brought back so many cool memories of watching those films with my family. And so here's the card, what it says right here. Just, oh, so excited! August 2021's Wild West ManiXMe box. And then here is a picture of what you can do with it, which I find so exciting. I love how they did the birds and the stars and what looks like the Badlands in the background with the cactuses and the reverse stamping. And so it shows the different steps, having more of a neutral background, and then stamping one by one. Different steps. Oh, to create scenery, you will need a few colors for stamping, like orange, deep brown, deep teal, black and gold. Select a butte design from, they give this other plate that you could possibly have, and oh, it's included in this. And so let's get to it. Here is a lovely packaging, and then the packing slip. Don't need that. Don't need the box. Just going to unwrap this. Oh, I love getting mail. Who doesn't like getting mail? I mean, it's just so much fun. And then here is this, which I'm going to need to be opened. So let's try this. Just, yes. Where there's a will, there is a way. So this is the numbers of the polish in the box, nail lacquer. Oh, how lovely. This one is called Saddle Up, and it's like this deep burnt orange brown. So pretty. We're gonna see how they swatch. Ooh, this one's different. This one's Lasso, and it's like this yellowy shimmer chrome type finish. Wow, that's really different. You can see how that looks. See how that looks? Just has that shimmer to it. So we're going to see how they cover. So those are the two colors that came, and you can use just about any nail polish. So we're going to see how they stamp. Oh, may your nails always get compliments. Oh, that is so sweet. I like that. And I have gotten a lot of compliments on my nails from using Maniology. Oh, isn't this lovely? There's a glare. Flowers, the wanted sign. Oh, we're gonna have fun with that. Let's try this one. There are 3 plates this month. That's so cool. I was not expecting 3. I'd forgotten. I do peek. Ooh, this one got scratched despite having that on it. This plate got the snake along here. And then what are these bottles of? Okay, we'll call them apple juice bottles. How's that sound? Cowgirls and cactuses in a bottle. Cow with cactuses and flowers on top. Alright. And the last one. Yeah, they double protected these. There we go. Got both of them at the same time. Oh, they have a town. Look at that right there. They have a whole town. Here are the buttes. So this is the one, MN62, where you can layer the different backgrounds. Oh, neat. What if you can layer that? Oh, that is so cool.